Hi, everyone, and welcome to the seventh edition of the ETHR World Employee Experience Summit here in Bangalore. We have Priyanka Banerjee, Corporate Sales Head, Wonderla Holidays, with us. The first question is: how does Wonderla connect with today's theme of employee experience and workplace culture?
Yeah, hi. So first thing, thank you so much for, we are glad to partner with ET. And this has been the second year in the row that we are partnering with ET. And it's a great platform because you bring together under one umbrella so many HR leaders, the business leaders who be a part. And I think the HRs and the business leaders of any organization are the people who work on the core agenda today is about how do we address the employee mental health, their well-being, which is a very important part of our life today. And I believe when we invest in people and their well-being, we eventually invest in the business growth. So coming and joining and associating with such platforms is definitely what Wonderla's value proposition is, that we are today not only an experiential destination, we also, we have broken that myth of being only a family destination. We are the most preferred corporate destination because we want teams to connect with each other. We want teams to bond, and it's a place which gives you the best of your experience to bond with your team, and that too off screen, which is very important message today.
Thank you so much. Following up on that, over the years, Wonderla has become a popular destination for corporate teams. What do you think makes company choose Wonderla?
Exactly. I think I already answered in the first question. So I would reiterate the fact again that we are a holistic experiential destination with the world class facilities and the highest ever safety standard. So today, when a corporate takes out their employees, the most important factor that they would like to factor is about the safety. And for Wanderla, safety is what goes beyond anything that we want to value the most. So it's like, you choose a destination which gives you a wholesome experience, starting from planning your small team outings to your annual days to your family day outs. So it's kind of a destination which is a holistic experience it can impart to your teams. And a day full of enjoyment, starting from the high thrill rides to, it caters to all age group, we would say. Because as I mentioned, people feel that Wonderla would be only for people who might like the high adrenaline, high thrill rides, or maybe it would be for people of middle age. But we have rides which are for all age group, for a Gen Z to a millennial, and even for the generations above. So yeah, that's I believe that all of us, all of the people here should experience us once to understand what we can deliver and offer.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience of the holistic idea of Wonderla. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for ETHR World.